Hello and welcome to the 340 Club. In this video, we'll be solving this question. 2 exponent 2x plus 4 times 2 exponent x minus 32 is equal to 0. So let's begin. I'll first use this rule to change 2 exponent 2x to 2 exponent x squared, right? So this is how it looks like. 2 exponent x squared plus 4 times 2 exponent x minus 32 is equal to 0. Now the next step is to replace 2 exponent x with a variable. So let u equals 2 exponent x, and from there we can rewrite our equation as u squared plus 4u minus 32 is equal to 0. Factorizing that, I have u plus 8 times u minus 4 is equal to 0. And the next step is to solve for u. So I have u as minus 8 or 4. Now we can replace u back with 2 exponent x. So that 2 exponent x equals 4, which is the same as 2 squared. And now we know the bases are the same. We can equate the exponents. So I can say x is equal to 2. And also we have 2 exponents x equals minus 8, and that has no solution. So the final answer is x equals 2. So that's how you solve a question like this. Make sure you like this video, leave a comment, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye.